Assamese. Odia. Assamese is an Indo-Aryan language spoken primarily in the northeastern Indian state of Assam, where it is an official language and serves as a lingua franca for the region. It has over 15 million native speakers. Assamese-based creoles include Nephamese and Nagamese. Historically, it was the court language of the Ahom Kingdom from the 17th century. The language is written in the Assamese alphabet, an abugida system with many typographic ligatures, written from left to right. Odia is an Indo-Aryan classical language spoken primarily in the Indian state of Odisha, where it is the official language and spoken by 82% of the population. It is also spoken in parts of West Bengal, Jharkhand, Andhra Pradesh, and Chhattisgarh. Odia is one of India's many official languages, serving as the official language of Odisha and the second official language of Jharkhand. It was designated as a classical language due to its long literary history and minimal borrowing from other languages. The earliest known inscription in Odia dates back to the 10th century CE.
Ek,
Eko,
dui,
Dui,
tini,
Tini,
sari,
Chari,
pas,
Pancho,
soy,
Chho,
hat,
Sato,
at,
Ato,
no,
No,
doh.
Dos.
জন্মগতভাৱে সকলো মানুহ মৰ্যাদা আৰু অধিকাৰ সমান আৰু স্বতন্ত্ৰ। তেওঁলোকৰ বিবেক আছে, বুদ্ধি আছে। তেওঁলোকে প্ৰত্যেকেই প্ৰত্যেকক ভাতৃভাৱে ব্যৱহাৰ কৰা উচিত।
ସମସ୍ତ ମଣିଷ ଜନ୍ମ କାଳରୁ ସ୍ୱାଧୀନ ଏବଂ ମର୍ଯ୍ୟାଦା ଓ ଅଧିକାରରେ ସମାନ। ସେମାନଙ୍କଠାରେ ବୁଦ୍ଧି ଓ ବିବେକ ନିହିତ ଅଛି ଏବଂ ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ ପରସ୍ପର ପ୍ରତି ଭ୍ରାତୃତ୍ୱ মনোভাৱৰে ব্যৱহাৰ କରିବା উচিত।
হে আমাৰ স্বৰ্গত থকা পিতৃ, তোমাৰ নাম পূজনীয় হওক।
হে আম্ভମାନଙ୍କ ସ୍ୱର୍ଗସ୍ଥ ପିତା, ତୁମ୍ଭ ନାମ ପବିତ୍ର ବୋଲି ମାନ୍ୟ ହେଉ।
তোমাৰ ৰাজ্য হওক, যেনেকৈ স্বৰ্গত তেনেকৈ পৃথিৱীতো তোমাৰ ইচ্ছা পূৰ হওক।
ତୁମ୍ଭର ରାଜ୍ୟ ଆସୁ, ଯେପରି ସ୍ୱର୍ଗରେ ସେହିପରି ପୃଥିବୀରେ ତୁମ୍ଭର ଇଚ୍ଛା ସଫଳ ହେଉ।
আমাৰ প্ৰয়োজনীୟ ଆহাৰ আজি আমাক দিয়া।
ଆଜି ଆମ୍ଭମାନଙ୍କୁ প্ৰয়োଜনীୟ ଆହାର ଦିଅ।
আমাৰ ধৰুৱাহঁতক আমি যেনেকৈ ক্ষমা কৰিলো তেনেকৈ আমাৰ উদ্ধাৰ ক্ষমা কৰা।
ଆମ୍ଭେମାନେ ଯେପରି ଆପଣା ଆପଣା ଅପରାଧୀମାନଙ୍କୁ କ୍ଷମା କରିଅଛୁ, ସେପରି ଆମ୍ଭମାନଙ୍କର ଅପରାଧ ସବୁ କ୍ଷମା କର।
আমাক ପରୀକ୍ଷାলৈ নিনিবা, কিন্তু পাপ আত্মাৰ পৰা আমাক ধৰি ৰাখা।
ପରୀକ୍ଷାରେ ଆମ୍ଭମାନଙ୍କୁ ଆଣ ନାହିଁ, ମାତ୍ର ମନ୍ଦରୁ ରକ୍ଷା କର। ଆମେନ୍।